the WIMBY project and the construction of the project. This was a very exciting exercise that is very grassroots. We really interact with every single one of the partners to define the task, to define the goals, to define what is going to happen in the project for the next 3 years, which I believe is one of these standing stars from the project. This is really I have participated in many projects in the past, and really the people that put together the project is the people that is working in the project, is the people that would like to get there, where they are proposing, on top of being experts in every single one of the fields that are working. And something that is also very special from this project is that we all work a lot together. So we really have these tools that have to come together at some point. And to do that, we start from the very beginning, making agreements and discussing all the things that excite us and worry us to, make the best possible result out of our effort and our resources.